Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on roll, use external sounds on voice channel permissions on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, uh, click here, now click settings, click roll, now click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you will find it, you will find here use external sounds, click on it and click save, and that's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.